In this video, I will show you how to use a wireless mouse on your smart TV. So by the end of this video, you should know how to set up and use any wireless mouse at all with your smart TV. Now, first things first, there are basically two types of wireless mouse. There is the one that comes with this small USB-C dongle over here that should be connected to the device that the mouse is supposed to be used with. And there are also other types of wireless mouse that actually requires a Bluetooth connection. Now, I'm going to show you how to connect these different types of mouse with your smart TV. Now, first things first, if you're using a Bluetooth mouse, what you just want to do is to head over to the settings of your smart TV, just like so. Open up the settings, and then you want to scroll down until you get to remote and accessories over here. Click on it. And then you want to go ahead and click on add accessories. Now, at this point, you want to make sure that your mouse is actually turned on and ready to pair with the smart TV. So once your mouse is turned on and ready to pair, the smart TV should be able to find your mouse, and you can just simply connect and pair with it following the on-screen instruction. Now, on the other hand, if you're using a mouse that actually has a USB-C dongle just like this one, then what you have to do is to go ahead and plug the USB-C dongle to any of the USB ports on your TV. So just go over to the back of your TV, look for any of the USB ports on your TV, and then just go ahead and plug the USB dongle into any of the USB ports on your TV. That is if your TV actually has multiple USB ports. But if it just has one, then make sure you plug it into your TV. And finally, once the USB-C dongle is plugged to your smart TV, you want to come over to your mouse and make sure that it is actually turned on. And you can see like so, mine is actually turned on. Now, one thing you want to note is that whether you connected your mouse either using the Bluetooth wireless method or using the USB-C dongle wireless method, the mouse can only function on the smart TV when it is actually on the browser. So these smart TVs are actually built so that an external wireless mouse can only function when it is actually on the browser. So what you want to do is to go over to your remote control, and then you just want to go ahead and open up any browser on your smart TV. So over here on my browser, you can literally see that I actually have my mouse over here. And if I try to control it, you can literally see that the mouse actually works perfectly well. You can also go ahead and use this mouse to type anything on the keyboard once it is actually on the browser. So the mouse is only meant to function on a browser environment. Now, mind you, this works for any browser on your smart TV. So just go ahead and use any browser on your smart TV. And trust me, it is going to work perfectly well. Now, finally, if you actually want to be able to use a wireless mouse on any part of your smart TV, then definitely it won't be a physical mouse just like this one over here. But you can actually get a virtual mouse from your mobile phone or any other device, and you should be able to connect your TV to that particular mouse. And once it is connected, the mouse should be able to move to any part of your smart TV. But if you actually want to use a physical wireless mouse just like this one, then you definitely will have to use it only on the browser environment. That will be all on how to connect and use a wireless mouse on your smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.